Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone supports the app library and widgets. iOS 14 or later is required. Once confirmed, long press any empty area on your home screen until icons jiggle. This puts you into edit mode. Make sure you have at least one free spot on the home screen page where a widget can sit. Then tap the plus icon in the top left to open the widget gallery. This is where you'll add the app library widget and control its size and behavior. Next, find the app library widget in the gallery by scrolling or using the search field. Widgets are grouped by app. Once found, swipe to preview available sizes. Small shows a single folder, medium gives grouped folders, large exposes multiple groups. Tap the size you want or drag it directly onto the home screen. Position it like any widget, then release. This places the app library widget, where you can quickly access categorized apps without opening the app library page manually. To finish, tap Done or press the home/gesture area to exit jiggle mode and lock your layout. If you need specific apps visible, open the app library or the widget, press and drag an app to the home screen, then place it in a folder or slot. If the app library widget isn't available, make sure your device is updated to a compatible iOS, restart the phone, and check screen time or management profiles that might limit widgets. Those steps usually resolve widget visibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.